When you walk into an area, one of the first things you notice is the floor. You might not think much of your garage floor, but a quality floor paint can truly make a phenomenal difference. It can protect your working space when you're fixing your vehicle and also adds to the carport's durability. Not to mention it also looks great. If you're planning to purchase some paint but not sure what to buy, then tune in because we've compiled a list of the best paint brands and styles to assist you. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Glidden Porch Floor Paint and Primer. Improve the look and durability of your floor and even your porch with this self-priming interior-exterior paint. Designed to withstand traffic and brighten a dull or dingy floor, it can be applied appropriately on many surfaces like new or recently painted wood, metal, or concrete floors. You can also use it to paint or touch up enclosed patios, decks, steps, and porches. With its exceptionally durable finish, you'll be able to walk, run, or unwind without worrying about whether or not it'll hold up over time. The latex, satin, and gloss enamel formulas resist scratching and scuffs. Since it's latex, it cleans up with water in case of any spills or droplets. Also, it features incredible color retention and true color fade-resistant finish throughout the lifetime of the floor. With a wide palette of popular colors, you'll be able to find the one that suits your personality and style. At number 2 is the Seal-Krete Epoxy-Seal Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. It's prepared, ready-to-use acrylic epoxy mix that'll protect the floor from things like hot tire pickup, synthetic substances, oil, and gas stains. It dries to a strong UV-safe silk finish that resists scraping, stripping, rankling, and blurring. The epoxy seal is meant to hold up to anything you can throw at it. It's ideal for both interior and exterior high-traffic areas and surfaces besides just the garage, such as floors in warehouses, basements, decks, walkways, patios, and even driveways. It's recommended to apply the paint with a roller, and 1 gallon can cover around 300 to 500 square feet. It's available in sand, dark and dim tones, or in a solid white or white base. For best results, apply at least 3 coats on a properly prepared surface. Once it's dry, you'll have a solid, durable, and attractive floor that'll impress everyone. The Seal-Krete garage floor paint also cleans up easily with water and it'll last for years. At number 3 is the KILZ 1-part epoxy concrete and garage floor paint. This solid floor paint is exceptionally strong, simple to clean, and won't scrape, blur, break, or rankle even from hot tires and other wear and tear. It's a water-based floor paint meant to be used in difficult-to-clean areas like basements and garages. The KILZ concrete floor paint conveys a glossy silk finish that applies well and uniformly to floors and flat surfaces. It dries to contact in 2 hours. This paint is ideal for high-traffic surfaces such as carport floors, storm cellars, garages, and patios. You'll get all the advantages of standard paint but at a lower cost. This product is simple to pour and roll onto surfaces. It has the durability and characteristics of epoxy items. KILZ recommends at least 2 coats for the best results. You'll love the incredible look and semi-sparkle finish on any floor. At number 4 is the Rust-Oleum Porch and Floor Concrete and Wood Satin Paint. It provides a protective, decorative finish on the interior or exterior of wood and concrete surfaces. The durable UV, weather, and mildew-resistant finish is easy to maintain as well as providing excellent coverage over new or previously coated surfaces. It cleans up with soap and water and can be used on porches, patios, basements, walkways, stairs, and railings. This floor paint from Rust-Oleum provides a durable, weather, and scuff-resistant satin finish with great adhesion. If you're searching for a great floor paint that you can apply fast and looks amazing, then this product is for you. We've got one more to go, but before we continue, if there's any products that you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section and our team will get to work to give you the best review possible. And now let's check out our final item. At number 5 is the Rust-Oleum Floor Coating Kit. It's sturdy, easy to apply, and it helps you cover over a wide assortment of materials without having to strip, sand, or prepare. It transforms your dull, ugly, or obsolete garage floor into a durable, stylish showroom-quality finish. Apply the necessary base coat and top coat for best results. The tough epoxy paint covers in one coat and does last a long time. It goes on thick and protects the surface against scratching, scuffing, or tire marks. It's quick-drying product that's safe to walk and park on in only 72 hours. This paint will cover 500 square feet and guarantees you'll end up with a perfect finish. Its one drawback is that it is a bit pricier than the others on this list, but you're going to get an outstanding product intended to last a lifetime to help that cash go even further. And that takes care of our list of the 5 best garage floor paints. Now it's time to pick the one you want to spruce up your garage with a long-lasting, cost-effective upgrade. We hope this list helped you make your purchasing decision. For more information and prices on the items here, go ahead and check out the description box below for links that'll take you to a great deal with free delivery. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.